Everyone thinks the best-selling Android tablet for marine navigation is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, AGM Pad P2 Active. The AGM Pad P2 Active is a rugged Android tablet that really caught my attention with its impressive waterproof features and military-grade durability, priced at $299.99. If you want a tablet that can survive the harsh marine environment, this is worth a serious look. This device is built to last with an IP68 and IP69K rating, meaning it's not just splash-proof, but can handle submersion and dust like a champ. The 11-inch 90Hz FHD display is bright enough at 480 nits, which is crucial for those sunny days out on the water when glare can be a real pain. Plus, the MediaTek G99 processor ensures everything runs smoothly, whether you're navigating or streaming a movie. With a battery life of about 10 hours, this tablet won't let you down when you're at sea. Now, some people complained about its weight, as it's a bit on the heavier side compared to standard tablets. Here's the thing though, if you want durability, you have to accept a little extra weight. It's still manageable and offers so much more in terms of features. This is perfect for you if you need a tough tablet that can withstand water and dust exposure while providing excellent navigation tools. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight for casual use. Overall, it gives you great value for money considering its rugged features. Now, if AGM Pod P2 Active's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter design. Product number 2, Techglass T65. The Techglass T65 is a large 13.4-inch Android tablet that stands out with its budget-friendly price of $170.99. If you want a big screen for navigation and entertainment without breaking the bank, this one is worth considering. With a 1920 by 1200 resolution, the visuals are clear and vibrant, making it suitable for reading maps and streaming during downtime. Its 120 Hz refresh rate means animations and transitions are smooth, which is a plus when you're using apps that require quick responses. The dual-band Wi-Fi also helps maintain a fast internet connection, essential for real-time navigation updates. Plus, the 8,000 mAh battery gives you decent longevity, so you won't be scrambling for a charger. However, some users noted that the camera isn't the best, which is true. It's not meant to be a photography device. But let's be real. When you're out at sea, the last thing you want to do is take pictures. You're there for the navigation and experience. This is great for you if you want a big display for easy viewing while on the move. Skip this if you need high-quality cameras or premium build quality. For the price, it offers solid value, especially if you're looking for a functional tablet for navigation. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for rugged use without compromising on performance. Product number 3. HotWav R9 Pro. A HotWav R9 Pro, a rugged tablet that's also got an eye-catching price at $289.99. If you're serious about durability and functionality on the water, this one is worth a look. With a waterproof rating of IP68 and IP69K, this tablet can handle wet conditions better than most. It features a stunning 11-inch 2K display, which is great for detailed navigation charts, and a massive 20 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking. With a colossal 20,080 mAh battery, you can go days without needing to recharge, perfect for long voyages where power sources are scarce. The dual SIM capability is also a bonus for staying connected wherever you are. But some users mentioned that the user interface can feel a bit clunky. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly using it for navigation and not as your primary device, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. You'll appreciate the performance when it really counts. This tablet is perfect for those who prioritize ruggedness and long battery life for extensive travels. Skip this if you prefer a sleek design over durability. It's a good investment for anyone needing a dependable companion on the water. Now, if the ruggedness of the R9 Pro impressed you, wait until you see what our next product offers in terms of specifications. Product number 4. OrcaTab WT1 Pro. The OrcaTab WT1 Pro is another rugged option, priced at $339.99. If you want cutting-edge technology and performance, this tablet just might be your best bet. With 5G capabilities and a stunning 2K display, it gives you fantastic visuals for navigation. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures that everything from maps to videos is super smooth, which can be crucial when you're on a moving boat. The advanced octa-core processor and 32GB RAM mean it won't lag, even when multitasking. Plus, the 2800 mAh battery promises days of power, so you won't have to hunt for an outlet while you're out on the water. However, some buyers felt that it was a bit pricey compared to others with similar specs. But if you consider the build quality and features like the underwater photography mode, it may justify the investment. For serious users, this tablet could prove invaluable. This is great for tech-savvy boaters who want the latest features. Skip this if you don't need cutting-edge specs and are looking for something simpler. It's a premium choice, but it offers a lot for the price. Alright, that was a high-end option. But if you're looking for incredible functionality at a lower price, the next product might be the match for you.
Product number 5, HotWav R9 Pro 2025 edition. Available for $289.99. If you want a balance of ruggedness and modern features, this tablet is worth considering. This version comes equipped with a bright 11-inch FHD Plus display and an IP68 rating, making it ideal for outdoor use. The robust 20GB RAM and 256GB ROM ensure you've got plenty of space and speed for your navigation apps and multimedia. The 20,080 mAh battery means you can use it for days without recharging, which is crucial for long voyages. However, some users pointed out that the brightness can be lower than expected in direct sunlight. Here's the thing. While it's not the brightest tablet out there, it still offers decent visibility for most conditions, particularly when you're using it shaded. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a rugged tablet that balances performance and affordability. Skip this if you need top-of-the-line brightness and are willing to pay more for it. Overall, you're getting significant value for a very capable device.
So, there you have it. From the rugged AGM Pad P2 Active to the budget-friendly Tech Class T65 and the high-performance OrcaTab WT1 Pro, each tablet offers unique features tailored for marine navigation. Whether you're looking for durability, display quality, or performance, there's something here for everyone. Choose the one that fits your needs best for your next adventure.